In this demonstration, we'll take a look at how we can use the show access list command to troubleshoot access list on your Cisco device. If you use the show access-list command, you'll get a list of access lists that have been created on your Cisco device. So when I take a look at the output here, I can see that I've got a standard access list that's created with ID number 1, and I can see each of the rules. So our first rule is we're going to permit anything from the 12 network, we're going to permit anything from the 13 network, and we're going to permit anything from the 14 network. And we can see as well that we're going to deny any other traffic. And then when we take a look at the second access list here, we can see the second standard access list is access list number 2. We're going to permit the IP address of 13.0.0.2, and we're going to permit the 12 network. Now what's also interesting here, when you use the show access list command, you can also see the number of packets that have matched those conditions. In this demonstration, we saw how to use the show access list command to help troubleshoot working with access list.